Hey, it's Elizabeth, Candace Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do cheap keto meals, my keto grocery haul at BJ's Wholesale to get $2.35 keto meals. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Candace Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do cheap keto meals. My goal is to get $2.35 keto meals, 35 cents keto meals from BJ's Wholesale. Y'all requested I go to BJ's and try to do my cheap keto grocery haul. Can I do it? I don't know. You're going to have to stay till the end, but I got this little handy dandy coupon in the mail for a $25 membership, 1-year membership. So I'm going to try it out. I drove y'all all the way from Northern Virginia to do this cheap keto meal. So make sure you smash that like button because you got to wait till the end to see if my nerves can handle being in Northern Virginia. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly Keto Wednesday weight loss email. I divulge all of my secrets in that weekly keto email and my fasting schedule. Let's go dive into BJ's and let's get those $2.35 meals on this 3-part series coming up next. So these are $1 per pack. I'm gonna pass on them, but just as an option, if you want a pepperoni roll-up, they do have them here. Y'all know I love a good panino tray. These are $14. I'm gonna pass on them, but they would be a great option. As with this cool olive tray, I'm not gonna get that today, but this charcuterie sampler may be calling my name. I may loop back for that. I'm gonna keep going to find what's on my list. Okay, so I'm slightly overwhelmed. We're gonna go to the meats and cheeses section first and the vegetables. I'm gonna bypass, they got some cool stuff here. I'm gonna bypass all of that. My goal is to get $2.75 meals. If I can do less, great. If I can do more, that's not great. So let's go hit up the meats aisle. They gave me all these coupons too when I got a membership. I'm slightly overwhelmed and anxious feeling to make sure I do this right. So let's dive in and have a little fun. Oh my gosh, they do have the fried cheese. This is awesome if you fry it in bacon grease, just cut it in little slivers and you can make chips out of this. I'm not gonna get this today, but this definitely is an option, as is this amazing section here. Don't worry about the nitrates. Check out Dr. Barry's video on nitrates. And I'm gonna keep going for my cheap keto grocery haul here. Pimento is an awesome choice, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my own, but you can totally make it from scratch. I sent out my recipe on the last Countess email, but pimento is a great keto choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and snag some extra cheddar cheese with Parmesan notes. It's $7 for this huge thing. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. They do have olives if you're an olive lover as well. I'm not gonna grab those today, but they do have the Kerrygold grass-fed butter. Just make sure that some of them on the grass-fed I'm noticing have like sweetener added. Make sure that yours does not have any sweetener added. These are also great, but for a 3-pack of this for $9, it's $3 for this. I'm gonna make my own. They do have heavy cream here as well as a choice to get, but I already have some at home. So they do have some Swiss that's already sliced. I'm gonna snag some of this to go. You would think that meatballs would be an awesome keto choice, but unfortunately for cheap keto budget, A, they're expensive, B, they're stuffed with creepy carbs. Make your own meatballs, which is what I'm gonna do today. And this is the section I came for to look for our cheap keto meat. Holy chips, look at this thing. This thing is friggin' huge. I'm trying to figure out what it even is. I think I might get one of these as opposed to this log. I don't know why this scares me, but this is definitely an option here. I'm in the meat section. So here's some ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these for my meats. And it looks like on here that there's 12 patties in here for $14, so it's $1 per patty. I already have these sausages at home. I get the hot ones, not the sweet ones, because the sweet ones probably have sweetener added, right? So I don't ever get sweet sausages. I get the hot sausages, and I'll use those too for part of my cheap keto haul. And I'm gonna go ahead and snag a pork shoulder. This here is $13 for this huge amount of meat. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this as well. We'll use this for part of my crock pot dish that I have. I'm also gonna go ahead and snag another package of my hamburgers. So I've got my hamburger plus my hamburger patties in here. If you see other things that are not keto, my son does not do keto. They do have the Applegate hot dogs here. They also have a coupon for those too as a potential choice as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and snag, just for a quick keto snack, for cheap keto though, it's $4 per one of these packs. I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Again, watch the No Nitrate Dr. Barry video, talk about the nitrates. I'm also gonna go ahead and get some bacon too. Who does not love bacon? So I always like to check my bacon to make sure it doesn't have creepy carbs added. I'm not seeing any sugars on this. I'm gonna try it. It's a low sodium, even though I'm not worried about the salt part of it. It is the low sodium pack. It comes in a 3-pack. They do have the Applegate Bacon, but I'm gonna try this one and see if I like it. Okay, cheap keto trick is this one is $4 for the same exact thing. Depending on if they're red, they're $5, and green peppers are $5. So just check your prices to see if you can find a better deal. This one was the best deal out of all of the peppers. Another cheap keto thing is make your own vegetable noodles. Get your own zoogler or just slice them julienne style as opposed to purchasing them already pre-sliced. Okay, I need to go ahead and get some shredded mozzarella for my keto bagels. That's going to be in part 2 and part 3 of this series of how I make my keto bagels. So here's the mozzarella. I'm going to snag some. And it looks like it's $7.50 for this huge 2-pack. I used to always buy these Baby Bells. I've since stopped buying them because I can just cut my own cheese. I said cut your own cheese if you get my joke. So I'm going to go ahead and get some eggs now. Y'all know I love some basil pesto, but I already have a bunch at home from Costco, so I'm going to pass on that, but that's a great low-carb keto option. Have you signed up for my weekly Wednesday weight loss email? Make sure you do that. It's in the description link below to get that email. We can make our own of this without sweetened tomato sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and snag some of these guacamole cups. These are great because they don't spoil, as opposed to like an avocado that may spoil. So if you wanna get some of your fats in and a cheap keto way, these equate to, gosh, like 40 cents a little thing. I'm also gonna snag some ricotta cheese for one of my dishes I'm gonna be making. I'm stunned how many pre-made meals they have. Y'all, we need to make our own. Literally take an hour out of your life to save your health and your pocketbook. So I cannot find the ricotta cheese. I've been looping and looping. Same with the eggs. I just found the eggs, so let me go snag those. $5 for anybody who can tell me where the ricotta cheese is. So this brand traditionally has sugars added into the ricotta. I'm gonna check it to see. Yeah, it's got 4 grams of sugar per 1/4 cup. I am not going to get this and substitute something else. Maybe they have cottage cheese. Let's see how many grams of sugar is in this. Okay, 5 grams of suger for half, so it's 2.5, it's 7 carbs. I actually think I'm gonna punt to this instead. No, I'm not. I take that back. It's 2.5%. I don't want the low fat. I want full fat, and I'm not seeing that they have that. So I may have to get ricotta cheese from somewhere else. I also need to get some of the cream cheese, and this is $12 for a 6-pack, so it's $2 per pack, which is actually cheaper at Aldi, ironically. They do have tons of strawberries here and blackberries and raspberries. I don't recommend blueberries because of the high carb count. That's the highest out of all of the berries. So I am sprinting to get out of here before Northern Virginia rush hour traffic. But for my cheap keto meal suggestion, make your own. When I was talking about the packaged foods, if you take an hour out of your life each week to make things, freeze things, you'll save a ton of money. I promise you, you will. And you'll also make your pocketbook, your waistline smaller too. Y'all have heard me talk about my macadamia nuts. These are actually cheaper on Amazon, which I'll put in the description link below if you want some macadamia nuts per pound. The price per pound is much cheaper on Amazon. So for cheap keto, tuna is your friend. For cheap keto, I would not have it more than once a week though because of the mercury, but also canned chicken salad, making your own mayonnaise, another great cheap keto way. I'm just not doing it this week, but totally an option. Random side note, they have $13 Yankee candles here. I had no idea. Good to know. It's like Costco, you need to get your own boxes or bring your own bags. I'm gonna go and show you at home everything that I got to get my $2.75 meals. Of course, this is part 1 in my 3-part keto meal prep special from BJ's. Let's go home and show you what I got. I'm totally cracking up. I'm parked next to another YouTuber. I watch her channel and I know her, I know her vehicle that she drives. Anyways, I just saw, it's really funny, seeing another YouTuber at both going to BJ's. I wonder when her video will be uploaded. Okay, for my easy keto grocery haul, my BJ's $2.35 easy keto meals. Let me show you everything that I got from it. I got 2 things of organic celery. I like to put these with my everything in the bagel seasoning. It's delicious. And in terms of carb count for this, it's really a good carb count vegetable. Next thing I got was my baby organic spinach. Super good. I usually do 2 cups. It says on here 3 cups is 3 carbs or 1 net carb for 3 cups. And that is chewing. The next thing I got was 2 things of organic romaine lettuce. Love that. It's a great cheap keto item to have, as is the organic spinach. I got some of my mixed peppers. Of course, organic is best, but do the best you can afford. Grass-fed is best, but do the best you can afford. All those things, like, we know what's the best thing, but do the best thing that you can afford. Next I got was some cheddar cheese. I got a whole bunch of packets of bacon. On the part 2 and part 3, you'll see what I'm actually making. I may or may not be making bacon poppers. I don't know, you'll have to tune in to part 2 and 3, which will be in the description link below. Next I got some guacamole packs. These were like 40 cents a piece. These are great. And the reason why I love them is because a lot of my avocados go bad. Even with my avocado rotation video that I did, which go look that video up if you want to know how to make your avocados last. But I've just come to love these. And I know it's not for everybody, so I don't need to hear in the comments how you don't like these. Really, you don't need to tell me, because I like them. And I'm going to do it for what I like. I like those guacamole packets. That's what I like. So those will be used for a couple of different things. I got my mozzarella. That's going to be for my keto lasagna and for a couple of other dishes I've got. I got some asparagus. These may or may not be being wrapped in bacon. I don't know. You'll have to check out part 2 and 3. In terms of my meats, I got a whole thing of 12 hamburgers already pre-portioned out. And then I also got a big old thing of ground beef. That will probably go in my lasagna and tacos for that. I have an awesome keto taco recipe. Oh, this was my bacon. This was my pork shoulder. That is going to go in my crock pot for my awesome crock pot recipe. I also got 2 things of salami. These are great for keto snacks. If you just simply make your own, way cheaper than those, like $3. I couldn't believe it was $3 for frickin' salami and frickin' cheese. Mine will be 50 cents or 40 cents. Hello, it's cheap keto. Part 2 and part 3, check that out. Next I got my mozzarella. These are going to be for my keto bagels. I did get cream cheese. Y'all, this cream cheese you can get cheaper at Aldi. I was not appalled, but kind of. It was $2 per block of cream cheese. And I think they're just standard blocks of cream cheese. I'm actually going to open it right now to look. Inquiring, yeah, it was $2 for this. I can get the exact same one. Let me show you. I don't have it anymore. Just kidding. I don't have it anymore. Just kidding. Okay, so I was appalled, but it was $2, and this is 89 cents at my Aldi in Virginia, Shenandoah Valley. I already showed you this. I will grate this cheese. You can also freeze it after you grate it. This cheese does have creepy carbs. Hello, there's additives that are thickening agents in it. I may knowingly make that choice, but you may not knowingly make that choice, so making sure that that's clear for you. I got some deli. They had deli meat pre-shredded, which was so cool, and they had a deli section at BJ's. By the way, BJ's didn't sponsor this, or it's not even an affiliate. I just was wanting to go and check it out. The one in Prince William County, if you live in Prince William County, Virginia. So I got some Swiss cheese, and then of course I got some organic eggs. These I'm going to use with like every recipe I have, and make some hard-boiled eggs. And I think, is that everything, Duke?
No, I will get some of these boxes for Dada.
You're going to give them to Daddy?
Yeah.
Good job.
Daddy.
Good job, dude. So it's a family affair here. We like to get our kids involved with our keto meal prep. So check out episode 2 and 3 for keto meal prep. It's in the description link below. Don't ask me what's the link. It's in the description link below. As is the free weekly keto email meal plan. Go check that out too. So these are my goodies. $2.75 meals. Part 2, part 3. Super simple. I'm gonna get to cooking. If you see sweat on my brow, it's the traffic from Northern Virginia. If you live outside of Washington, D.C., folks, you guys know. I live in Shenandoah Valley, and it was stressful coming home. I'm home, back in the valley. Bye, guys. Make it a powerful day. If you love this video, make sure you smash that like button. Sign up for my free weekly Keto Wednesday weight loss email down in the description link below. And also make sure you click subscribe. See you guys again next time, and check out part 2 and part 3 in this 3-part series.